Hi, we are doing logarithm. 3 in brackets log 5 minus log 3 minus in brackets log 5 minus 2 log 6 is equal to 2 log x. We have to find x. Find x. Now we will open the bracket. As we open normally, this becomes 3 log 5 minus 3 log 3. We'll open the second bracket, minus log 5 minus minus plus 2 log 6 is equal to 2 minus log x, right? Now 3 log 5 and minus log 5 will club it together. It will become 2 log 5 and the rest will be same. Log 3 plus 2 log 6 is equal to 2 minus log x. Now what we have to do, we will use the law here. Which law? A log n is equal to log n raised to the power a. A, that is multiplied with log, goes in as a power to the log. So this will become log 5 raised to the power 2 minus log 3 raised to the power 3 plus log 6 raised to the power 2 is equal to 2 minus log x. Fine. Now this is log 25 minus log 27 plus log 6 6 are 36 is 2 minus log x. Now we will again use the law, that is which law? Log a plus log b is log a into b, and if it is something log a minus log b, that becomes log a by b, right? So this is log 25 plus log 36, that can be written as 25 into 36, right? And then minus log 27, that means 27 will go at the bottom because it's minus log 27. So this is equal to 2 minus log x. Fine. Now what we will do, we will solve it. What we will get, this will come out as log, this will become 4 3, that is log 100 by 3 is equal to 2 minus log x. Now 2 ko we can write as log 100 to the base 10, right? We can write it as 2 is log 100 to the base 10. Why to the base 10? Because if there is no base, that is base 10. So everything has a base 10. So I'm changing 2 as log 100 to the base 10. Why log 100? Why log 100 is 2? Because log 100 is 10 to the power 2. Again we will use the rule. Sorry, this is 10. Log 10 to the power 2 to the base 10. So the log, this will become 2 will come in front, and this will become like this. Log 10 to the base 10 into 2. So this is log 10 to the base 10 is always 1. This will turn out to be 2. Fine. So this is just to explain you. So this is log 100 by 3 is equal to log 100 minus log x. Fine. I'm not writing the base 10 because that is understood. So this is log 100 by 3 is equal to log a minus log b. We have learned up, that is 100 by x. Now what is there? Both the places there is log. So what we will do, that means that applies that 100 by 3 is equal to 100 by x. Fine. So x goes up, 3 goes here, and 100 comes down. Cross multiply, that is 100 into 3 upon 100, that is x ka value what has come out is 3. Fine. This is how we do it.